This is a tutorial on how to use the DroneHub Flight Planner to create drone missions in Google Earth. This tool takes mission planning to a new level by letting you get exactly the views you want. Flight plans generated with DroneHub can be uploaded to the Litchi app and run autonomously on your drone. The Flight Planner is a free and open source application. Links to the source code can be found in the video description. To install the Flight Planner, first make sure that you are using Google Chrome as your browser. We are currently adding support for the Firefox and Safari browsers, but Chrome is the most popular browser, so we started there. Go to the Google Chrome Web Store and search DroneHub. The Flight Planner should show up as the first result. Click on it and then click the Add to Chrome button. The Flight Planner will now be installed in your web browser, and you are ready to begin making drone missions in Google Earth. Open a new tab and navigate to Google Earth. The Flight Planner is a Google Chrome extension and can only be used with the web version of Google Earth. Once Google Earth is loaded, you should see a small round white button in the top right corner of the map. Clicking this button will open up the DroneHub Flight Planner. Once open, you can close the Flight Planner by clicking the X in the corner. Now we are going to move to a location in Google Earth and plan a mission. Once you are in the place that you want to fly a mission, position your Google Earth view as the view you want your drone to see during the mission. Then click the Add Waypoint button on the Flight Planner. A directional arrow will show up on the Flight Planner map, and the positional information about the waypoint will be displayed. As you can see, this waypoint is 194 meters above ground level, the camera view is 33 degrees below horizontal, and it has an 11-degree heading. Now let's move to our next waypoint. To move around in Google Earth, click and drag the screen. If you hold the Shift key while you click and drag, the view will rotate about the focus point. If you hold the Control key while you click and drag, the view will rotate about the current camera position. Now that we are at a new view in Google Earth, we will add another waypoint. Another directional arrow will appear on the Flight Planner map, and a yellow line will appear. This line shows the path that the drone will travel between waypoints. If the view of this waypoint is not what we want in our mission, we can click the Delete Waypoint button. The directional arrow will then be removed from the map. If you want to delete a waypoint other than the one currently selected, click on one of the other directional arrows in the Flight Planner map, then click Delete Waypoint. If you want to get rid of all the waypoints on the map, click the Delete Flight Plan button. Once we have a series of waypoints that we want in our mission, we can then download the flight plan with the Download Flight Plan button. This will download a CSV file. We can also download the mission as a virtual flight with the Download Virtual Flight button. This will download a KML file. The virtual flight can be loaded into Google Earth to show the mission in 3D. To do this, click the Projects button in the left-hand side navigation bar. Click the Open button and select Import KML file from computer. Navigate to where you downloaded the KML file and click Open. Google Earth will now display the waypoints that you selected earlier. In the left-hand side tab, open the Flight Plan Features folder. Clicking on the items in the Waypoint Views folder will show you the views that you selected earlier. Now click Virtual Mission. The virtual mission will fly the Google Earth camera along the mission you created, showing you exactly the views your drone will see as it flies. To use the flight plan on your drone, you will need the Litchi app, which is a paid app available for both iOS and Android devices. Navigate to the Litchi Mission Hub and import the CSV mission file that you downloaded. You will see the Litchi waypoints show up and be able to add actions such as take photo, start recording, and stop recording. The downloaded mission from DroneHub will default to have no actions at any of the waypoints. We are currently adding functionality to add actions from the flight planner itself, but for now you have to set these in the Litchi Mission Hub. Once you have the actions you want for each waypoint, save the mission, and then you are ready to fly. We are actually going to show you the real drone footage from this mission, so we are going to set the first waypoint action to start recording and the last waypoint action to stop recording. In this video, you can see the resulting footage from the mission we just planned alongside the virtual mission that we watched earlier in Google Earth. As you can see, the accuracy of the views we selected is excellent. There are some instances where the view you select in Google Earth will not exactly match up with what the drone sees. These instances happen when you select points near large elevation changes, such as a cliff or skyscraper. At points like these, the positional reconstruction from Google Earth can become problematic. To make sure that your mission is exactly what you intend to fly, make sure to preview the mission with the virtual flight, as this will be exactly what the drone flies. This flight planner is the first of many free and open source development tools provided by DroneHub. Our mission is to simplify drone flight, and we hope that this tool enables you to do that. If you find the flight planner useful, make sure to leave us a review on the Chrome store. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and good luck with your flights.